Hi guys, wanted to hop on here and share with you a hybrid position available with Southwest, and the headquarters is based in Dallas, Texas. Now, you can go ahead and go on and read about the department. The job description is saying that all of Southwest people came together to deliver on our purpose, connecting people to what's important. Now, it says additional details right here. The code is talking about the culture of the airline, and let's go down some more as it relates to responsibilities. I did want to highlight as well right here where it says this role is a hybrid position based out of our corporate campus in Dallas, Texas, which requires employees to work on site on our corporate campus at least 3 days per week. The department designates a specific 3 days of the week employees must work on site. So 3 days on site, the others will be work from home. Okay, it wants you to be a US citizen or currently authorized to work in the US. All right, and no current or future work authorization sponsorship is available for this position. Now, some of the responsibilities that you'll have in this role, you work under broad supervision and may be assigned multiple concurrent general projects, anticipate leaders' needs and proactively resolve scheduling conflict, proactively manage and prioritize calendars and itinerary to ensure most effective use of the leader's time. Now, if you've worked as a secretary before, any form of management or logistics, scheduling, like staff scheduling, definitely put that on your resume, and look within this post here for power words that you can put on your resume. All right, and these are the knowledge and skills and abilities you're looking for: skilled in a high level of customer service delivery, ability to identify conflict and must seek to clarify details. You also need to be proficient in Outlook, Word, Excel, Teams, and PowerPoint. And this is the education: high school diploma or GED, no degree required. And these are other required experience: intermediate level experience, fully functioning broad knowledge in administrative support or customer service related fields. So those who've worked in customer service, whether retail, call center, you go ahead and put that on your resume. There are no certification or licensing needed, and there are some physical abilities that you will need to be able to do to perform this job, one of which will be the ability to use a computer and other office productivity tools with sufficient speed and accuracy to meet the demand of the job. These are other qualifications. Go ahead and read them, guys, so that you are well informed as it relates to what they're looking for. Now, let's take a look at the pay and benefits. The competitive market salary ranges from $57,000 to $63,500 per year, depending on qualifications and experience, with opportunity for further pay increases based on performance and market movement. Now, they also have health insurance, 401k with company match. So, definitely, if you are interested in this, go ahead and apply on careers.southwestair.com. Just go ahead on the website and input this job right here, which is a senior administrative assistant. And this right here is the job number right here. Okay. And this is if you are able to travel in office at least 3 days per week to the corporate location. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to my channel for new quick updates like this. I will be posting at least 3 or more videos per week. So stay tuned. Have a good one.